Well, guys, this is the end of the course and hope that you liked it. As you can see, I'm displaying the 4 illustrations we've made throughout the course for our final project. And that's all. It would mean a lot to me if you're happy with your work and with the course. It's always a pleasure to be a part of your learning process. Here you can see the mock-ups I prepared in advance. Apart from the one I left in the website, on internet, there are other options you can use for free. And this is the final result. Let me remind you that if you have any doubt, feel free to ask them in the forum and we'll try to answer as soon as possible. Also, I'm looking forward to seeing your projects. Thanks a lot and see you in the next course. Bye!